All right, guys. Next up, we got an autographed baseball bat from Hit Parade Series 17. This is break number 1. You've got a chance to pull a Mickey Mantle out of here. So I grabbed a couple of this series. Who doesn't want to pull a Mickey Mantle bat? So it'd be incredible if we can pull that. There's some other big names: Ronald Acuna Jr., I think Juan Soto. You've got some other big names in here as well. So every spot in this break gives you 3 random teams. Lance, you've got 1 spot in this. Rick M with 3. Seth, what's going on, dude? You've got 3 spots. Luke G with 2. And then Alan, you've got 1 as well. All right, so let's go ahead and randomize the 30 teams. All right, so 3 teams per spot. Let's go ahead and randomize this 5 times as well, and we'll match them up. All right, here we go. So, Alan, you've got the Nationals, the Mets, and the White Sox. Lance, you've got the Royals, Cardinals, and Blue Jays. Luke, you've got the Padres, Dodgers, Astros, Twins, Rockies, and Rangers. Rick, you've got the Reds, Indians, Cubs, Marlins, Braves, Diamondbacks, A's, Angels, and Orioles. And then Seth, you've got the Phillies. You've got the Yankees, if we can pull that mantle. You got the Red Sox, Pirates, Brewers, Tigers, Mariners, Rays, and the Giants. All right, so there are your teams. So this one's going to be box 68 out of 100. So it's been a while since we've done these bats. We've got to get back into some of these. All right, so sealing this in too. So I've got, I think this series is already sold out. I've got 1 more that we'll do. All right, we got a black bat. All right, is that Brooks Robinson? Hall of Fame 83 inscribed. That's kind of who that looks like. So it is, let's see. Trying to find a C of A on here. Beckett authenticated. So I guess the card must be down in the container. And it is going to be Brooks Robinson. So that's a nice one there for Rick. That's going to be Baltimore. Troy, what's going on, man? It's a nice one there on the Brooks Robinson. It's a good start to that series. So, Rick, congratulations, man. We got you on the board with a good one. So we'll get that bat in the mail tomorrow. And we'll do our other of these coming up next week. So be on the lookout for that next one to go live on the website on here over the next day or two. And then we'll break it next Monday.